Hey rail fans, it's Bruce. I'm in downtown Plant City, Florida, and we are expecting I-044 to come through here on the A line anytime soon. Just thought I'd give you a little showing of the downtown, some of the old historic buildings there. Really neat looking old State Theater here. Pink isn't my favorite color, but it's a neat old building. Another one here that looks more modernized. And there's a park through here that takes up 2 blocks. And there is 4 grade crossings here, just one right after the other.
Milepost 874.9.